What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Sorry I haven't uploaded recently. I wish YouTube would allow you to do updates, like kind of talk to your subscribers and kind of give you an update instead of having to wait until you reach 1,000 subscribers. I've been doing some house improvements and how do I say it? Some kayak mods. Picked myself up a kayak, done a bunch of mods to it. Now with that all said and done, let's get to the main video. So I've been out on this kayak a few times now and it's awesome. I got a Scotty track with a fish finder mount adapter which goes here. Picked up one of these Scotty universal adapters. Has a push button so you can push it in, release your item, whatever you put in here. And then I picked up the Scotty camera mount, so when you're out fishing you can just plop it in the hole. You got your GoPro facing you. You can put a camera here if you want, and then put your GoPro here. So then you can turn your GoPro there to you. So then it'll be facing back to me. The 2019 version of this kayak, they come with these new rubber ring hatches as opposed to the twist style. So they just go down, they seal, and then you take this little, that's hard to do with one hand, but there you go. Then it's in place, it's sealed, no water is supposedly getting in, but so far it's so good. The only con that I can think of with this is for the rear. It's not flat, so when you put the crate here, it kind of sits all wonky and elevated. The seat. This thing is okay if you go kayaking for an hour, but after an hour, your ass starts to die, your legs go numb. Things just do not go well. I'm 6'4", 220, not a big dude. But this, oh, I don't know. It's nice that it's there, and it comes with a chair back mount, and it's really good compared to the other kayaks, but man, you gotta upgrade the seat. One of the first things I did to this kayak was take out every little screw and silicone it. Everyone complains that water seeps in at all your points where the screws are. Take them out, put a bead of silicone, screw them back in, you're good to go. Another mod I did on this kayak was the anchor trolley system. As you can see, it runs all the way down here and to here. So one of the best things you can do with this anchor trolley system to prevent yourself from going, I can't take this anymore, I'm cutting this damn anchor trolley off, is taking this carabiner, well, when you're going to install the whole system actually, before you even do it, take this carabiner, do exactly what I've done here. Make your eyelet, I don't know, 2 inches, 3 inches from where this carabiner is going to be, and then cut yourself up a piece of bungee cord and attach it just like I have it. This will prevent the whole system from slapping against your boat. It's super annoying once you hit those waves and this thing just keeps, so you don't get a wet ass when you're kayaking. These little foam golf balls, you can get them at Walmart in a pack or the dollar store, wherever you find them. And you shove them into your scupper holes. Just push them. These ones I kind of think I might take out actually, because the water comes down here when you paddle and then it fills up in here and it kind of sits there. The last thing I want is water going into my dry hatch. You obviously got to have a kayak crate because kayak crates are everything on kayaks. Limited space on these things. These rod holders are actually pretty amazing. The rods sit way down deep. They do a good job, but when you have 5 rods like I do, you need more. So another Scotty mount product. Everything's made in Canada, Scotty mount. All Scotty mount stuff is made in Canada. But there's a little quick adapter that goes into here. Try to do this one hand again. Put it in the track, slide it to where you want it, Screw it down. Now you put your arm down, transducer arm. You got the transducer there. I still have to get a screw. That just reminded me. And then take your fish finder right here. Sees the slots. Clicks into here. There you go. Now you got your fish finder. You can turn it to wherever you want it, whatever direction, that way. And then of course in the back of the fish finder there's an adjustable tab. You can control the angle. That's where I have it. I just thought another mod to do. I've seen other guys do it on their kayaks. Put these little trays. You can pull them off if you want, or you can put them back on. A little Velcro on the bottom. So when you're kayaking, put your phone in there, put your pliers in there, whatever you want to put in there. There's also a free rod holder that comes with this. It line the lines up. See, there's a line right here too. Put it in, but you don't put it in all the way. Bring it up and rotate, just like that. So you can choose whatever angle you want. I'll have it like that. Camera's right here. Fish finder. Battery will be down there. Let's turn it on. So this is my Lawrence Hook 4 with GPS. Page display. This is for the GPS, so you can track where you've paddled. It has a couple different chirps, different wavelengths. And then you can zoom in as well. The plus button. Plus 15, plus 23. Tells you your depths here, how many feet down, your temperature of the water, and then how much battery life you got left. And that can be all changed in the menu as well. Thanks so much for watching. I'll catch you guys shortly. I promise. Video will be coming soon. And as always, drop me a comment below if you have any ideas, whatever you want to see. I'll do it. I'll try to do it. And see you guys next time.